Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Minecraft Realms not loading problem. So if your Realms keeps loading forever or doesn't open at all, just follow along step by step to solve it. Alright, let's get started. First, go to the search bar on your computer. Type CMD, then right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. This is important so the commands work properly. Once the command prompt opens, we're going to enter a few network reset commands. These are already listed in the video description, so you can easily copy and paste them one by one. After you type in all the commands, press Enter, and your internet settings will refresh. If the Realms issue is being caused by a network glitch, this usually fixes it. Now, once you're done, go ahead and restart your computer. When your PC turns back on, open Minecraft and check if Realms is loading again. If it still isn't working, don't worry. Here's another quick fix. Update Minecraft to the latest version. Sometimes Realms won't load simply because your game is outdated, and updating it can instantly solve the problem. And that's it. By resetting your internet settings and updating Minecraft, you'll usually get your Realms working again without any issues.